In iOS 18, this eye tracking feature is amazing. Eye tracking uses for the front camera, determine where are you looking at the screen. So that's a cool feature. So how to turn it on? Let's see how it turn on. So go into the settings, go accessibilities, go a little down, and you'll find eye tracking. So just turn on that eye tracking. It will give you few options, a few dots. You have to follow those dots and it will catch those things. So now it's the purple, now it is giving the pink, so it's the orange. Now it's actually setting up for my eye tracking accordingly. Green, now it's yellow, it's catching my eyes, and this is light orange, I think, or peach color. This is light blue, and that's look like the final one because it's in the middle. Oh no, it's a white one also. Here we go. So it's catched everything, and now it will work where I'm looking. Look at this. I'm looking on the top, I'm looking on the bottom, I'm looking little middle. So everything is going, it is tracking itself. Look at this. I'm just looking on the top, eye tracking. So I'm not looking down. See, this is a cool feature. If you like that video, thumbs up. See you in the next video.